In this video, let's try the new SQUAD Cosmetics Aqua Foundation. Hello! Kamusta naman kayong lahat? I hope you guys are all doing well today, and of course, sana din safe and happy kayo. Today is going to be a very long day. Today kasi gagawa natin ng swatches, demo and review, and also wear test. Itong bagong foundation ng SQUAD Cosmetics. And having said that, wag na nating pahabain pa ang intro. Of course, product info, this one cost 249 pesos and each container meron siyang 25 ml. And tatlo yung claims na meron sila dito, and that is hydrating, buildable coverage, and lightweight. Also, according to them, this one meron siyang aloe vera, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and ceramides. So basically, to make it short, packed talaga siya with hydrating ingredients. I mean, you guys probably already know how I feel about SQUAD's branding. It definitely needs a lot of improvement in my opinion. But in terms of practicality, I love na naka-airless pump siya. Kasi diba mas hygienic, and also since it's made of plastic, perfect for traveling. Kasi diba kahit mabagsak, panigurado, hindi siya mababasag. But ayun nga, aesthetic-wise, hopefully in the future, mag-improve na sila and gawin nilang mas updated. But then again, of course, akin lang naman yun. Although I must say very nostalgic siya. Kasi if you guys can remember, yung first launch nila ng foundation, ganito din siya, airless pump. Yung difference lang is that before, mas manipis yung kanyang tube. This is L1 Neutral Light, L2 Cool Light. Tagal! Baka ito umubos ng oras ko. This is M1 Neutral Beige. This is M2 Warm Beige. The fuck? Charot. This one is M3, which is a cool medium. This is T1, a neutral tan. T2 is a warm tan. And lastly, we have T3, which is a neutral deep tan. And in fairness sa color selection, I'm really impressed. Look at that, guys. And I also love the fact na yung mga deep colors warm yung undertone. Kaya kapag nilagay nyo sa skin, panigurado, hindi siya magiging ashy or grayish. In fairness, I'm really impressed with the color selection. I'm not sure if you guys can see but etong deeper shades, ayun na, look at that. Parang nag-oxidize siya. Again, I'm using the shade L2 on my face, and to apply, gagamit lang ako ng brush. Wow! Oh my God! Look at that! In fairness sa coverage! I mean, look at that. In just one pump, yung half ng face ko, na-cover ko na. Formula is definitely very lightweight. Medyo mabilis lang siyang mag-set. Kaya I suggest na kung ilalagay nyo siya, huwag nyo i-dot all over the face. Ang gawin nyo na lang muna is maglagay kayo sa isang area, tapos tsaka nyo i-blend before applying sa ibang side. That way, hindi kayo mahirapan and mas mabilis yung blending. And also, kahit gumamit ako ng brush, it's not streaky. Actually, sobrang effortless i-blend eh. I mean, look at that. Konting blending lang, especially kung malaki yung brush, you're good to go. Medyo nagkikling lang siya dun sa mga dry patches. Kaya if you have dry skin or kaya, ayun nga, may mga dry patches kayo, make sure na well-hydrated or kaya nakapag-scrub kayo. That way, hindi siya mag-cling and also mas, of course, smooth tignan. Finish-wise, it is definitely matte. So, ayun lang, nanonotice ko lang na mabilis siya mag-cake up if medyo makapal yung nilagay. And actually, with this foundation, I think kahit hindi naman ganun kakapal yung ilagay nyo, since nga medium and very buildable yung coverage, kaya ang gawin nyo na lang is light application lang muna sa buong face. Then after that, tsaka kayo focus sa mga areas na kailangan pa ng coverage. That way, maiwasan yung pag-cake up, especially sa mga cracks and parang crevices na meron tayo. Time check, it is currently 2:16. And off-cam ko na tinapos yung base to save time. And in terms of product, ang ginamit ko lang naman is yung mga usual na ginagamit ko so that mabigyan ko talaga ng proper review. And also, syempre, mai-compare ko sa mga ibang foundation na nagamit ko na before. And of course, as always, ilalagay ko na lang sa description box yung mga product na ginamit ko sa face ko. Doon lang talaga sa mga part na mabilis mag-crease. Ayun, asahan nyo nang mabilis siyang mag-crease and mag-cake. Rather than that, I don't have any other issues naman so far. Feels very lightweight pa din kahit nakapaglagay na ako ng powder, which is of course always good. Balikan ko na lang kayo mamaya sa update. Magti-TikTok lang ako. And also, speaking of TikTok, make sure to follow me, guys, kasi yung ilan sa mga product na hindi ko na-feature dito or hindi ko magagawa ng review, actually, doon ko na ililipat. Kaya kung gusto nyo ng quick review, yung mga 2 minutes, 3 minutes video, ganon, quick tutorial and also favorites. Of course, make sure to follow me sa aking TikTok account. Time check, it is now 7:22. And this is how my makeup looks like after 5 hours. As you guys can see, sa highest points ng aking face, nag-oil up na siya. And just a quick heads up, hindi nga pala ako nag-highlighter so that makita nyo talaga yung shine without anything. And ayun nga, sa aking nose, sa forehead, sa cheeks, definitely nag-oil up. And also, nag-show up na yung pimple. So as for creasing, definitely sa side ng aking nose, nag-crease na siya. Dito sa area na to, I'm sure you know, yung mga normal na nag-crease sa akin sa kahit anong foundation, kaya I don't really mind kasi alam ko na mangyayari siya, expected ko na. Dito naman sa part na to, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but nag-fade yung foundation. And one thing na na-notice ko is that nagbuo-buo siya. Hindi ko sure kung dahil ba sa aking primer, kung dahil sa moisturizer na ginamit ko, or baka yung concealer kasi hindi siya compatible dito sa foundation. Kaya I'm going to test it again. And sa TikTok ko na lang kayo i-update nun. Feeling ko talaga hindi compatible kasi if it is compatible, di ba, hindi naman siya mag-cake and, ayan o, magka-crack, magbubuo. Pero in fairness, no, kahit 5 hours na siya sa aking face, yung pagka-oily niya, parang saktong-sakto lang. Yung parang mas nag-melt lang yung foundation sa skin ko and hindi siya yung parang sobrang greasy or oiling tignan. If you have textured skin, panigurado guys, this will emphasize texture, kaya be careful and I suggest na kung gagamitin nyo siya, huwag nyo masyadong i-cake up or dadamihan yung product. Even sa pores, nakaka-emphasize, kaya keep that in mind or kaya gumamit kayo ng pore filling primer, that way mas smooth tingnan yung skin after. Aside from the texture and yung pagkikake ng product, other than that, wala namang ibang issues eh. And also, just in case you guys are wondering kung same ba yung formula and yung performance nitong product na to sa Detail Cosmetics na Fresh Filter Foundation ba yun? For me, I think yung difference is that this one mas meron siyang coverage. Second, mas matte yung finish nitong Squad. Third, of course, is mas maraming options, shade-wise. And also sa finish, mas natural looking and mas skin-like yung finish nung sa Detail. So again, just be mindful of how you apply this foundation. Start with a little product, tapos tsaka nyo na lang i-build up. And also, I forgot to mention, hindi siya ganun ka-hydrating, guys. Because dito sa under eye, parang undry tingnan ng under eye ko. So basically, sa tatlong claims na meron siya, I think yung hindi lang masyadong totoo is yung hydrating siya. Pero yung claim nila sa product na it is lightweight and medium to full coverage is definitely true. So yeah, for me right now, I think I'm gonna give this a solid 7 out of 10. Simply because yung foundation nga is a little bit tricky to use. You really need to make sure na yung ginagamit yung pang-prep is compatible with the product because may tendency na mag-crack or mag-ball. Magbuo-buo yung foundation, especially sa area na medyo marami kayong maglagay ng primer or ng base product to prep. But in terms of coverage, I'm really impressed. I really love how it looks like or yung amount of coverage that it gives the skin. It's definitely medium to full, buildable siya. Anyway guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Stay safe. And I hope to see all of you again on my next one.